Yo, welcome back. We're going to be back testing part 2 of 2024. So we're going to try something new here though. I'm going to start taking less partials and holding for longer cuz I noticed that if I risk 0.5% in a trade and I take a partial alongside the way, give me a second here. If I'm going for a 1-to-1 RR, it's different. I'm not actually going to be making 0.5% on the trade. I'm making less. Okay, so coming into this week, Monday, is it not farm payroll Monday? So this week we have no news. No, we do have news. Okay, we don't have anything crazy on Friday, so I'll just go to the PM here. Okay, on a daily basis, we're pumping up still. Coming into this 4-hour, we tapped the discounted. Actually, it's not even that discounted, but we tapped this 4-hour down there. Came up and versed this 1 hour. So we're just shopping around. Yeah, we're just shopping around. I gotta see something here that shows clear interest in displacing. We inversed at 5 minutes, so potentially continuation lower, but I gotta wait for something super clear. Probably gonna, yeah, okay, so we swept those lows. So potential reversal here off of this 2 minute. I'll take it, especially with those equal highs up there, relative equal highs, and then low resistance. Looks pretty solid here. Stop below the low, and we're gonna target these highs up here. 0.5 is fair. Let me see, what did we tap? There we go. Bang, baby. That was a good trade. And furthermore, I would target this high, this high, this high. I would have gone break even though, so good on me to target that. Good trade to start off the week. Man versus 5. We're still in a weird predicament. I like shorts now because, I mean, we have equal highs though, so it's tough to say. But when we get this close to lows, maybe we get, continuation. Ah, shit, I shouldn't have done it like that. Okay, wait, we have 3 minutes here. 236 is when it inverses. It has yet to inverse. I don't count that as inversions, honestly. What? Oh yeah, there's equal lows down there. Yeah, we could most likely just go take it, but you see, this is why I don't count it as inversions. I need something more than that. Okay, the day finished here. Let's go to the next AM session here. This fair value gap that we tapped, coming into the daily, tapped the daily fair value gap as well. So we're still bullish here. 4 hours should be still holding though, so that's something to keep in mind. Tap this order block fair value gap, so I'm leaning towards bullish, and if we close below these lows, then we're probably gonna dump for till tomorrow or Friday, honestly, till Thursday probably. But yeah, I'm leaning for bulls here. Let's see if we can get something here or not. So we swept all those lows, tapping the hourly once again. Can't enter off this because we're in a 4 minute now. There's specific reasons onto why we're not taking that, and one of them being is, well, now it's a 5 minute, but we can reject it now. With this candle, it could literally just go down, but I'm still bullish, so let's see, maybe we get like a 5 minute closure above. We do, definitely do. We have this like breaker formation, order block for value gap. What is that? Is there any like Okay, hourly being respected, which is a good sign. Only problem I have with this trade is such a premium of this entire range. There's a breaker right here as well. Definitely work out. Musical highs over here. One thing I do like to ask myself when I'm about to take a trade is, if I get stopped out, would I have been okay with this outcome? Like, considering the trade. And with this one, oh, we do have an SMT with the London lows. So we just, okay, I like it. I like it, honestly. Looks solid. Probably put the stop somewhere like around here. Target like up here. This isn't, yeah, I mean, order block, fair value gap breaker. I will target something like that. 0.5 is fair. Yeah, I probably would have just, if I get the chance to get out, I'll take it. Okay, that's the chance to get out, so. I mean, it can still work. Yeah, it could definitely still work, but I'm gonna try to get break even without using FX replay mode, but yeah, I doubt it. We'll just get out of here. And then I'll probably not even try to re-enter that because it's boring. But yeah, take the chance to get out, take it, and let it ride. But now I think we tapped a 5 minute below us. Wow, we're dumping here. There was no 5 minute either. Do you have an SMT you reckon with this low? We do. So potentially moving higher, but I need to see a rejection off of something to continue going higher. Is that a 5 minute? Nope. Can't take it. Still nothing. Okay, go to the next PM session. So we got one emergency exit, I call it, where you just manually close. And I'm glad I got that close, honestly, because I didn't like the trade after. I didn't even like it when we were entering, honestly. Alright, this can work right off the bat, but I don't think there's a, in that 1 minute, put it in reverse. I want to see this sweep and then continuation higher. Ah, fuck. It's gonna go without us, maybe. Give me the sweep. Yes, something like that. Okay, let's see here. It's up in the 15 minute. Do we have any? We have lunch high over here. Look at those equal highs that I'm still targeting. Don't like this like low resistance that we're building up. Like it's called a phantom trend line for those traders who are supporting resistance. But anyways, so we're tapping this 15 minute order block, fair value gap. We have an SMT with ES, I believe. Yes, we do. No, we don't. That's why I am. I should believe we do. I mean, there's a lot of lows, but regardless, then we have a 5 minute above us where we would go break even, and then we are inversing the 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Don't have anything then, huh? Yeah, I can't take it. We don't have anything. I was hoping we'd get something here because it looks pretty solid, but it's literally nothing. There's my break even point. I would have got break even regardless, but fucking hell, like probably not gonna be able to catch anything here. I mean, we have that 5 minute inversion. We could take it off of 5. Target like up here as well. Let me see. 4 hour fair value gap. There's like a little bit of an hourly breaker there that can be supporting price higher. Don't like this resistance or low resistance liquidity that we're building, but I like that 15-minute rejection. Inversing the 5. Did we close above the mean threshold with this as well? It looks solid, honestly. I'll take it. Target those equal highs that we've been targeting for some time now. Let me see if I can break even here. Would I use it as an exit? If we inverse this 5-minute, I might have used it as exit, but I'll just see if we could get a run higher. Yeah, we got close. It's 2:45. Cutting closer to the end of the day. We did inverse this 5-minute as well, so I'm just gonna move my stop to break even here. Oh, there's TP1, but I'm gonna just see if I can get the run higher. See if I can get those equal highs taken out. Bang, baby! Nice. That's what I wanted to see. That was good. Yeah, that was really close. Okay, that was nice though. It was still a solid trade overall. I like that 15-minute. It did respect the 15-minute once again. And one of the best things you could see, we came and tapped the consequent encouragement of this 15-minute wick, and we rejected higher off of it. That was very nice. Let's see. Damn, we're going high, huh? Yeah. All right, let's go to the next AM session here. So far, we're doing pretty good today. Okay. I'm drinking coffee. I don't know if I like it, man. Like, I love coffee. I drink coffee every day, twice a day sometimes. But this specific coffee, it's like, it's a Starbucks pods. It's like Starbucks pods. It's like these things, man. Or not these. This one right here. It's this one, and it's low-key nasty, dude. Alright. Moving on here. That was such an off-topic thing. We have, yeah, we're still pumping. We're not gonna call bears here. We're gonna keep being a bullish market. So every day we're gonna come in here looking for longs, unless we have an A+ setup downwards. But I like it's going down right now. I want to see a little bit of a retracement. We have 9:45 candle. Okay, so we got that. But let's see 9:45 news. I figured it would crash, but let me see. We're in a 5-minute. Do we have anything to take to the downside? No, there's no 1 minute. Nothing. We have this 1 minute with equal lows. So if I were to take it, I'd like put my stop there and target these equal lows over here. Looks solid, but now look at this. We have equal highs there. We're probably gonna just let this run. It's 10 AM as well. Yeah, we're gonna let it run without us. Yeah, look, we would have got stopped out. That's exactly why I said we'll let it run without us. Fuck you. Come on, give me a trade. Okay, potentially coming up here. Those are equal lows. 5-minute. I don't think we have any inversion lowered it to those equal lows. Yeah, there's nothing I could take to those equal lows. $15 did not inverse, but we tapped like this little breaker. Do we have anything that we could take to the upside? Is it a 2-minute? Nope. Is it a 1-minute? Nope. Like, that's like what, 2-3 trades right there called, and we weren't able to. We didn't get this one. We would have fucking gone. Where did we come down? Did we come down on this candle? No, we came down here. So then it's only been 2 trades called right now. And then overall bias was called as well. Like, come on, dude. Come on. Give me a fucking trade, yeah? You don't gotta do all this shit for no reason. Let me see if maybe we have a... So we have a 5-minute. We're inversing this... We're inversing this 2 minute. No, we're not. Lied. That's not a 1 minute, is it? It's not. 15. Okay. Maybe with 2 minute now. It's 11:48. Whoa, why didn't anyone tell me that? We gotta go to the next session. Come on. Come on, guys. Alright. On a 4-hour basis, is that equal lows? It's relative equal lows. We're still pumping. Like I said, I would want to see it happen. Bulls, bulls, bulls. We're delivering from this 15-minute. So maybe go lower for a little bit and then continue higher. So I want to see something to take off, to take longs off of. 30-minute, we're in it. 45-minute, we're not in anything there, but we have potential move upside to 5-minute. I need to see a little more retracement, but we're too much in a premium to take anything here. Okay, let me see here. Oh, we tapped the 15-minute. That's good. That's what I wanted to see. We are. Did we inverse anything? We have a 4-minute. Did we inverse it? We're inversing it in about 1 minute, I think. Yeah, alright. Well, we tapped the 5-minute, which would be our break-even point, so I can't even fucking take this trade. Would there be anything else? We had this 3-minute was cleaner than a motherfucker, but it's like, damn. That fucking sucks, guys. Third trade today called without being able to take it. Yeah, I mean, we would have gone break-even regardless. It's fine. Three-minute inverse lower. Take lows. No. No, let me check this. Got the 15-minute. Come up. Tap the 5-minute. Inverse lower. SMT with ES. ES looks like it's dumping too. It's too bullish for this market. But like, you can't deny that short does look decent. We're in a very much of a premium. We have these lows here. It would have been nicer if we had an inversion of something here. Alright, 15 minutes up, come up, tap that 5-minute, having an SMT. I want to say it looks like a short sell model, but I can't wrap my hand around that. We have these equal lows still here. We can attempt it. We can attempt it. Is that equal highs up there? No. Alright, I mean, yeah, we could try something here. Get like something down here. Zero 0.3. Go break even here and just see if I could get that down there. Bang, baby. Okay. I risked 0.3 on that trade because I'm too bullish for me to be in a bearish, like, oh wow, we ran to it, nice. I'm too bearish. I mean, too bullish to be like shorting. And then also, one of the things I've noticed is I like having more confluences to protect me. For example, if this was not only an inversion, but it was also like a little breaker here, and maybe even an order block, that would have maybe put me at 0.5. At 0.7 would have, I wanted to see if we would have inversed this and then had that play, then I would have probably risked 0.7 because we are in a premium and we could short, but good trade nonetheless. Let's see if we could get something here. Let's go. On an hourly, we swept those lows. I wanted to see tapping into a 4-hour maybe. Yes, we did tap a 4-hour, so I am bullish here. Tapping into a 15-minute, so maybe, who knows, maybe we get a little push downwards, something like that. 256, unfortunately. Yeah. All right, let's go to the next AM session here. Thursday AM. We're yeah, and I think you guys noticed this one has been different. I'm holding for longer times because I noticed that, like, even though we damn near duplicated our stats, you know, doubled it, I feel like I could do so much better by holding the trades. My coffee got cold. Yeah, holding the trades rather than just partialing often. And you know, it's super good to partial. I stand by it. Partialing is the best thing. I would partial in a live market. Do I? Sometimes. It's because when I'm trading, I have like, it's harder to partial with minis if you're entering with one mini. With micros, yeah, absolutely partial, 100%. But anyways, tapping into this 1 hour. Still a bullish market. A lot of lows there though. Is that equal lows? There's also like relative equal lows, I guess. So I guess we just gotta have to see what we do with this 15-minute. Alright, discounted 15-minute. Is there a 30? It's a 30 as well. Order block tapped. Okay. ES looks very bullish still. It looks like it's not wanting to go lower. We have the 3-minute inversion about now. 10 a.m. opened lower. You can see it goes down, up. Low resistance upwards. A lot of low resistance actually. Left equal highs. We have 8:30 data low, so that's something to keep in mind. And we did close below this order block, making an order block on it. I don't know. I'm not really feeling the trade. It could definitely just fucking skyrocket, pump up, right? And now we do have a breaker order block, fair value gap, tiny fair value gap. We could try it here. I want to see is, I checked already. There wasn't an NSMT, but ES just looks very bullish, as you can see here. It looks like we want to just keep going higher. Nasdaq came down a little bit. I don't like how we close so into this range, like so deep in the discount of that fair value gap. But there's no denying it, you know, it still looks decent. I mean, yeah, we could take it and go break even quick. We'll do. See, why is this number so low? I don't believe it's 0. Actually, yeah, no, I'm tripping. Yeah, it definitely is that low. I don't know if I consider this an A+. Like, genuinely, I don't know. Let me look at it more, and I gotta be acting like it's a live market real quick. This low resistance is just like, it's making me not want to take it. Go here. Hourly did inverse, but we respect the one above us. The 4-hour inverse? In a 4-hour? Yo, come on. We haven't had that 4-hour problem in such a long time, and we just got it. Come on. Alright. We're on this range did inverse. I'm still just very bullish, you know. 15-minute respecting. 9:30 open lower, 10 o'clock open lower. Equal highs left. Okay, it looks solid. It looks solid. It looks solid. Stop below the mean threshold of that. Fair value gap there. 0.5 should be fair. Okay, there's my break-even point. I'm gonna just hold. Damn, dude. That's crazy. It looked really good, actually, and that's why I took it, but fucking hell, that's crazy. Alright, whatever. Whatever, I get it. Market doesn't like me that much. It's okay, you know, I can't do much about it. Okay, let's see here. 4 hour. Oh, 1 hour tapped again, actually. Do we have an inversion lower? Is that an inversion? It is an inversion, actually. Shit, would I take it? Let me check. Would I take this? I mean, if there's something earlier, would I have taken that? It's definitely a dump. You know, it looks very strong as a dump. Breaker, order block, fair value gap. That's my A+ setups, bro. 5-minute did inverse. Shit, that looks good. All that low resistance liquidity that was making me hesitant earlier looks solid as well. Break even after we tap these lows. We do have this like bullish breaker, I guess you could say, but I don't believe it will hold, especially since we're tapping that 1 hour, which is also the optimal trade entry of this range, I believe. Let me confirm. It is indeed. Oh, it's the perfect one too. 0.701 is the best entry you could get. But it looks solid here. Let me check with ES. ES looks like it might go a little lower. For the first time, I'm gonna check with dollar as well. Dollar is pumping, so that's good. Is that we have equal lows on the ES as well, and the fair value gap, that's good. I mean, equal lows on ES doesn't matter though, but I notice how NASDAQ has been like wanting to go lower like, all this time, especially here. It's like struggling to go higher. I do like it, especially the fact that I know for a fact we're gonna be able to at least get a break even on this trade. Target 8:30 news, bro. 8:30 news was like really fucking going on him. Shit, that looks so good. I kind of want to do 0.7 on this trade. We're in a very bullish market though, so maybe just go for 0.5. So I am break even, especially since we tapped that 5-minute. But I would also take a partial at that 5-minute. So I'm gonna see if I could get down to it. If I have to go into replay mode and use that, then I will. 5 minutes here. There's your market. That's the closest we're gonna get, bro. Honestly, take off 0.5 on there. Yeah, I would partial at that 5-minute. And the main reason I'd partial is because we're far. You know, that's 25 points, dude. That's a good partial. Let's see if we can just go back up to get break even without it. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's good. Like, the only times I wouldn't partial nowadays, like, honestly, if, like, for example, here, if we entered longs and we entered here, and then we tap that 5-minute, I just go break even. I wouldn't take a partial. But since we entered so up here, where did we enter actually? Where was that trade? Yeah, since we entered all the way over here and we ran down 25 points, I'm taking a partial. And we're in a bullish market. Keep that in mind. And I've been wanting to see bulls. We do have all that low resistance liquidity, which I believe will get hit. But we were also approaching the 5 minute, and once we tapped it, since we are in a bullish market, these inefficiencies that are promoting price to continue going higher might have a rejection higher. So partial, break even, nice. I like it. That was good. And now, oh, it's 11. Let's go to PM session here. Once again, guys, this is FX replay, right? Use it, use it, use it, use it before you start trading a live market. This helps you learn exactly what you need to learn. And if you have a model that you want to backtest, do it on here, 100% hands down. It will help you going forward. It'll help you with being able to practice your model and modify it. And I highly suggest you do not cheat, right? And what I mean by that is, give me a second. Oh, fuck. I'll be right back. Don't cheat, as in like, just don't cheat yourself. You know, like don't be like, I don't know. Give me a second. My mom's texting me. Oh, one moment, guys. Okay, my bad. I'm back. Where was I? Don't cheat, as in don't go forward and then go backwards and just spoof your stats, if that makes sense. Because you want to trade as real as you can. Like, be as real as you can. Be like, okay, this is for sure the model that I would have traded in a live market. I'm gonna take this. You know, sometimes I go back a little bit, obviously, because I speed through it so quickly, which I've noticed has low-key been impacting my patience in a live market, because I'm so used to just like zooming through it like this, you know. Where now in a live market, I'm like, oh, I have to sit through this, fuck. But it's good because you get to see a lot more things, and in a live market you won't have the chance to go back and take it, you know. But yeah, how I trade is, you know, exactly how I would trade in a real life market. I'm doing it now, you know. And you can't cheat yourself in a way where it would hurt you by thinking you would actually do a certain amount of numbers, and this, like, you would do a certain amount of way, like in a way, like, I don't know. I think you guys get the points. You know, don't fucking hurt yourself by lying to yourself, if that makes sense. And then going to live market and then hurting yourself. But yeah, today in the stock market, I called everything. No entry was given. It was the most annoying thing ever. And this is what I mean. It's like low-key. The FX replay has been testing my patience in the live market, because now I have to wait an entire day. And I noticed that. I'm like, okay, well, we just had the trading session. I called the market perfectly, and I didn't get an entry. And I have to wait an entire day. Like, and then compared to here, I have to wait 1 second before I go to the next day. But nonetheless, this is still very healthy because you are back testing and making sure you're a profitable trader. Okay, here we are. We're tapping a 15 minutes. How do I get rid of this shit? I kind of fucked it up. I clicked on the trade and fucking did some stupid shit. Now it's not going away. There we go. Okay. Going into the daily, still very bullish. 1 hour has been respected. Come down. Now we have like this little 15-minute breaker. We come up, tap the breaker as well as the 15-minute fair value gap. We have this inverse lower with all that low resistance liquidity built up. Let me see if ES has something worth of interest. I don't even know why I put Wyoming on here. Wyoming, whoa. Okay, 10.15. 10.15. So we do have an SMT. Does look good for shorts as well. It'd take a lot for the market to move back up. Let's target that. How did 10 a.m. move? 10 a.m. moved higher. And now we have that short. It looks like very good. I'll do 0.3 on here because we don't have much protecting us from that short. Okay, there we go. I'll move my stop to break even there. There we go. Bang, baby. Good little trade. Yeah, we're risking really low percentages. I like that actually. I like how we're doing it where now I don't have like for example, this trade, it's the same thing as the other one where I didn't have much saving me from my stop being hit. For example, I only had this fair value gap and the inverse fair value gap. I want to have like 3 or 4 things. Like a breaker fair value gap order block is always gonna be my A plus entry. Like, I don't know. I noticed that, and it always works. It always works. So I'm kind of like gonna start pushing higher percentages with that while maintaining lower percentages with the ones that I don't have protection mainly on. Anyways, so objective met on that. There's a 5 minute right above us. Tap the 5 minute right there, I believe. That we did. And we inversed that 1 minute lower quickly. Shit, that would work out actually. I don't know if I would take it per se. I mean, we do have this breaker. If we did tap the breaker. Fuck, and I believe we're gonna keep dumping. I don't believe that. 15 minute didn't really expand higher, but yeah, it's definitely gonna like. Now we got break even. But hold up now. Give me a second. This long looks decent. If we take it though. Because we swept a lot of liquidity. Just 2 minutes is about to inverse in 1 minute. It's respected. And they got inverse without us. Yep, alright, well, can't take the long. That fucking sucks. But yeah, I wanted to see it. I wanted to take that long because especially because the 15 minute didn't expand higher at that time. Alright, let me show you. As you can see, if we go on the 15-minute chart, there's no wick up. And I wanted to see an expansion, especially since we took out all that liquidity below us. It made sense for it to expand higher, but unfortunately, we did have a 3 minute. It didn't inverse though, did it? Yeah, there's no way I could have entered that, which sucks. Because we called it down to the dot. Not even that 2 minute, bro. Just whack. Whack, whack, whack. 5 minutes. So 5 minute inversion. Demolishing that mean threshold. There's a breaker order. Alright, we're gonna take these shorts here. Stop below that. And then on the hourly basis, we'll target this. Which is a good ass low. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even quick. I'm gonna risk 0.7 seems fair on this trade. That's my break even point. Bang, baby! Good trading day today, bro. Or my live stream. This has been a good live stream. This is really good. Yeah, this was the A+ setup. This is literally what I told you where I'm gonna risk more. We have a breaker. We're rejecting off a higher time frame. You know, the highest we can get right now. The 5 minute, right? Very close to all that liquidity, which I taught you guys. If it stalls out right before taking it, we're most likely gonna dump or run higher depending on how the market is looking. You see how we stalled out right before we take all that, and we have this low 4 p.m. I liked it a lot. I think it's a Fed talking or some shit. I don't remember. Anyways, yeah. So you can see we have order block, breaker, fair value gap, and then not to mention the 5 minute inversion and the 5 minute mean threshold of this order block being closed below. We should have risked 1%, honestly. Genuinely, we should have risked 1%, but it's okay. Here's a 2 p.m. chart. Where are we now? Are we in something that... Okay, we tap the 4 hour once again. Sweeping all that liquidity. It's also a 1 hour. We have a 5 minute unfilled above us. We don't have anything to enter off of it, so we're gonna have to just accept it doing nothing, I guess. So here on an hourly basis, Not the 15 on a basis, I guess. 2 minutes inverse slower. Guess we have this like breaker for like so much in a discount now, or I'm just not gonna take it. Yeah, makes sense. Too much of a discount. I don't like that tap. I want to see a better tap. Something like that actually makes sense, especially since now it's like 3 drive spatter. Low resist. I like it actually. That's good. 3 minute close in 1 minute. Oh wait, that's a 2 minute. 2 minute did close. Now we have breaker order block for value gap, I guess. Definitely looks solid for shorts here. Inversion on the 1 hour on S&P. Looks pretty solid for shorts, guys. We could try it here. What would we target? Previous hourly low was already swept. 15 minute, I guess it's the 15 minute right here, but our risk to reward would be a negative on here. So maybe just target like a 1-to-1. Go break even quick or something. So risk, yeah, 0.5 should be fair on this trade. There's no way I would have gone break even, yeah. Okay, let's go to the next day here. So still bullish overall. Daily basis. Looks like it might be topping off, but you can't call tops on a fucking bullish market. So it's, you know, keep that in mind. We have this low that looks like it's institutional. If we break through it with displacement on 4 hour basis and we close below it, we're gonna look for some nice shorts upcoming. But hourly inverse, we have this hourly down here as well. 8 o'clock news, 8:30 maybe. Yeah, 8:30 news high and low is already swept. So let's see, maybe oh, 15 minute tapped. Tell me, is there a 2 minute? Nope, cannot short this since there's, oh wait, 1 minute did short. There's a 1 minute. So a breaker respected. 15 minutes tapped. We're in a 4 hour, I believe. We are in a 4 hour. We're in also. I like it, honestly. Do I like it enough for our risk money? Do I have an SMT with this high? But it looks like we have an SMT with these highs as well, which is good. What is that? That's an hourly that's been edged. What I'm worried is this being early. Can't deny it looks decent. How much are we up this week? We're up a good chunk. It's the 25th. We're up about like 4 racks right now. It looks good, but I'm just gonna have to let it run without me. Yeah. Come on, you didn't tap the hourly, really? Okay, well now then I'm for sure gonna short if we can get something here. Nope, can't. Ooh, hello. 10 a.m. opening lower into the hourly 1 minute inverse right now. Unless it's a 2 minute, then if there's a 2 minute, even better. Honestly, the higher the time frame, the better the trade, bro. No, it's not. But we tap the hourly, right? And then we're reversing nicely. Equal highs right there. This is actually seeming up to be a good trade. I'm just gonna put my stop below there, the order block. Equal highs there, and then we're gonna target this one. And we're gonna target like put my stop there actually. Yeah, 15-minute high is good. Seems like there's a huge SMT, a lot of low resistance on the higher time frame. I like it. Let's take this. 0.5 should be fair. Probably want to target higher than 0. I would probably target like higher than this though. Especially now that we have breaker. I'll go. Yeah, I'd go break even and just see if I could get that high. Yes, nice. But I would probably go for this high up here. See, do we get it? We do. Fuck, I should have done it. That's what I was looking at, because like the low resistance looks good, and I knew it was gonna just displace above it. Yo, that was close though. We definitely almost could have got stopped out, but that's why you gotta put your stop better. Look at that. I could have gotten stopped out if I had put my stop below there. Luckily, you know, I caught on at last minute. But yo, like, well, I'm not gonna go back and fix the trade and take this high, but like, it made sense to take that high. Like, especially with ES pumping up like a motherfucker, dude. It's fine. We're gonna accept it, you know. At least we ended on profit on this week, which is good. I think that's the final. I'm not gonna take anything here. That looks good for shorts, at least below this. So I'd go break even there, and I would have gone break even. Ooh, that long looked good. Yeah, 5-minute inversion. Alright, never mind then. Alright, well, let's go to the next AM session here. Skip through a couple candles, go back testing dashboard. I think this ends this day. Pretty good so far, honestly. We have an 81% win rate, and we're up 5.86 on the account so far. Go to equity analysis, you can see it's pretty good. But yeah, this year I want to have a higher average RR as well as a higher win rate, and so that means we're gonna take more so like B plus and higher trades. Maybe A plus is like, you know, the best I could do. Obviously, you can't really get a. Bro, I remember that one trade when I was telling you guys that I had every confluence in the stock market telling me to take a trade, and I should have taken a 2% trade instead of 1%. I remember when I was saying that shit. Dude, that's still the best trade to this day. I forgot when it was. I think it was, yeah, it was in 2023, and it was like towards the middle or some shit. Maybe like the 3rd or 4th month. It looked so good, bro. Oh my god, I want that shit to happen every day. I don't know, I'm just here fantasizing about that. Alright, anyways. So 81% win rate, you know, we're doing really good so far. And we're up 5.86. I do have this one right here, which I remember trading, and it was all right. Look at that. After 8 months, I only do 12%. I'm showing you guys I'm so much better than I used to be. It's insane. I had 5, and then look at like the rest of the months were terrible. Damn, dude. Like I'm going to demolish my stats this year. I'm gonna make $100,000 this year in a real life market. I'm gonna demolish 150K maybe. Honestly, feels right saying 150K, maybe 250K, bro. I really think I can make some crazy amount of money this year. Anyways, All right, I'll see you guys next back